Hey there, animal lovers! Welcome back to another enchanting story that will warm your hearts and inspire your spirits. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the heartwarming tale of a boy and his horse, a story that celebrates the unbreakable bond between humans and animals. This tale is brought to life in our charming claymation style, where every frame is crafted with love and care. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam loved adventures, but more than anything, he dreamt of having a horse of his own. He would often imagine galloping through the fields, the wind in his hair, and the freedom of the open countryside. One sunny morning, as Sam was exploring the woods, he came across a beautiful, wild horse. It was a moment that would change his life forever. Its coat shimmered like gold in the sunlight, and its eyes sparkled with curiosity and intelligence. Sam felt an instant connection, a bond that seemed almost magical. He knew this was the horse he had always dreamt of, the one he had envisioned in his dreams and stories. With a gentle approach and a handful of sweet apples, Sam gained the horse's trust. He spoke softly, his voice filled with kindness and hope. He named her Star due to the star-shaped patch on her forehead, a mark that made her even more special. From that moment on, Sam and Star were inseparable. They became the best of friends, sharing countless adventures and creating memories that would last a lifetime. They spent their days exploring the countryside, galloping through fields, racing the wind, and discovering hidden treasures in the woods. Star understood Sam like no one else. She could sense his every mood, his joys, and his sorrows. She could sense his every mood, and Sam felt a boundless joy whenever he was with her. Their bond was truly extraordinary. One day, the village faced a terrible storm. The skies darkened, and the winds howled with fury. Trees fell, rivers swelled, and homes were in danger. The villagers were frightened and unsure of what to do. Sam knew he had to help, but he was just a boy. How could he make a difference in such a dire situation? Then he remembered Star. Her strength, speed, and unwavering spirit could be the key to saving the village. With her strength and speed, they could reach the villagers in need and bring supplies. Sam quickly gathered food, blankets, and other essentials. Without a second thought, Sam and Star set off on their mission. They were determined to help their friends and neighbors. Together, they braved the storm. The rain poured down, and the wind whipped around them, but they pressed on. Star leaped over fallen trees and waded through rising waters. Her strength and agility were truly remarkable. Sam directed her with determination, knowing that lives depended on them. He felt a surge of courage and responsibility. Finally, they reached the village. The sight of Sam and Star brought hope and relief to the villagers. The sight of Sam and Star lifted everyone's spirits. They knew that help had arrived. They delivered food, blankets, and hope to those in need. The villagers were deeply grateful for their bravery and kindness. The villagers were grateful, and they hailed Sam and Star as heroes. Their courage and selflessness had saved the day. Sam realized that day that true strength comes from the bond you share with those you love. It's not about size or age, but the heart and spirit within. Star wasn't just his horse. She was his partner, his friend, and his hero. Their bond was unbreakable and filled with mutual respect and love. As the storm passed and the village began to rebuild, Sam and Star continued their adventures, stronger and closer than ever. They knew that together they could overcome any challenge. Their story became a legend, a tale of friendship, bravery, and the incredible bond between a boy and his horse. It was a story that would be told for generations to come. So, remember, animal lovers, the connections we make with our animal friends can change the world. They teach us about loyalty, courage, and unconditional love. Cherish those bonds, and who knows, you might just find a hero in your own backyard. Every animal has a story, and every bond has the power to make a difference. Thanks for joining me on this animated journey. I hope you enjoyed the tale of Sam and Star as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. Your support helps us bring more magical tales to life. Until next time, keep loving those animals. Take care and see you soon.